Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so this video is all about what are the combinations in astrology for a foreign settlement and success. Okay, for the parameters which are responsible for the foreign settlement is 12th house. 12th house in your birth chart talks about foreign settlements. It also talks about expenses and liabilities. But most importantly, foreign settlements can be seen from the 12th house. And if at all moon is placed in the 12th house or 10th house lord placed in the 12th house, so that brings the foreign settlement just because of your career. Okay, and also D10 chart has to be referred, the placement of moon has to be referred, the placement of Rahu also has to be referred. The people with 12th house Rahu or Saturn takes away from the homeland, which is nothing but the foreign education, foreign lands, settlements. The parameters are basically 4th house or 4th house lord and its affliction from Lagna. Okay, 4th house or 4th house lord, its affliction from Lagna. The role of Rahu and Ketu in connection with the 4th house can also be checked with regards to the 4th house lord as well. If at all 4th house lord placed in the 12th house, that also take you to the foreign settlement. And it has been observed that whenever 4th house or lord is afflicted or 4th lord is ill placed in the 6th, 8th and 12th houses in the horoscope, this makes the person to leave the homeland and settle in the abroad countries. Let's say 4th lord placed in the 6th house, 4th lord placed in the 8th house or 4th lord placed in the 12th house. This all denotes foreign settlements. And also Rahu and Ketu are also involved in terms of foreign settlements. As I mentioned to you, if at all you have Rahu or Ketu in the 12th house, that also take you to foreign lands, which is away from the homeland. Sometimes you might not like it, but still because of the planetary alignment, you are forced to go to the foreign lands and you are set and you will be settled in foreign lands. There are so many people who doesn't like to go foreign countries, but just out of destiny they'll generally travel to foreign countries. It's all because of the planetary alignment in their birth chart. That's how the events manifest. And also, as I mentioned to you, moon is the karaka for foreign settlements, for foreign lands, and also money from foreign lands. The karaka is basically Venus and moon. Okay, Venus in the 7th house also gives you foreign settlements. Okay, so and most importantly, D10 chart has to be referred. If at all because of career you will be going to the foreign settlements, so D10 chart 12th house 10th house has to be referred, and also D9 chart has to be referred because D9 chart will be activated after the age of 30. So most of the people will be checking only Lagna chart and will be giving predictions. That is the wrong way of checking. You got to see the D9 chart, D4 chart, D10 chart, because for various occasions we have to see different charts as well. Okay, so Lagna chart is basically very important, but each chart have its own role to play. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video, and if at all you like my video, please hit on that like symbol if at all you loved this video. And if at all you are watching this video for the first time and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and click on that bell icon next to subscribe button so that you will be notified on the future videos. And if at all you need my consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Please book for the consultation so that once I get an order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your person. I'll be able to tell you what exactly your Venus is doing, what exactly your moon is doing, what exactly your Rahu and Ketu is doing, and who is sitting in your 4th house, who is sitting in the 12th house. All those kind of analysis will be performing in your birth chart and will be providing the predictions. All right, so and also have a success track record from all the clients across the globe. Okay, so don't worry, so book for the consultation and I'll be able to help you. All right, and thank you so much and have a nice day ahead.